What is going on, guys? It is your boy Lieber here, and we are back with the pit bike. And today, we're gonna be riding with the homie Aiden. We're gonna go meet up with him, go hit up some trails, maybe hit up some other jaunts. Squirrel! Yeah, I love the squirrels. I do it for the squirrels, actually, not the kids. I wonder if it's easy to go downstairs on this thing. I don't know if I should try it yet. But let's just approach it, see what's going on. I don't think it'll be that hard. That was awesome. So no cars are coming. Oh shit, there's a car coming. Lol, 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 lol. Lol, 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 lol. Like, boy. Oh, look, these people are all Halloweened up. Hell yeah, Halloween. Best freaking holiday besides Christmas. Shit. Yo, it's lit. Yo, can we go this way? Yo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what? Maybe we could, like, make a jump over this. I don't know. Probably not, so let's get the fuck. Woo! Hell yeah, we got 40 on this little strip. That was kind of cool. Hopefully don't piss these people off by just driving by, you know. Just pretend we're on this parking lot, you know. You did the little nod. A couple heads. Not anything we should worry about. Oh shit, wait, there are hella heads. Hold up. What are those people doing over there? Alright, we're gonna wait for the homie, probably chill here for a little, see what he's up to. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after.
What's up, dude?
So we got the black version and we got the white version. GoPro in the front, speedometer. Damn. Alright, let's go. To the place! Out. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Yeah. No one's here. Woo. Aiden! Woo!
How do you wheel it?
You go like, and you start flying. Hey! Oh! We made it. There are trails still here. Haven't really checked it out lately. Oh. Yo, this shit's fucked up. Yo, holy shit. These things are gone. These trails are gone as fuck. Whoa, shit! Holy fuck! Whoa! Perfecto. Oh, a ball! Dirtbike soccer. Soccer! Alright, let's get it. Let's get in the grass. Yo, there's a goal over there, hold up. Woo! Yo, let's play a game in the goals. Let's go. Oh, right through the freaking bike. Okay, wait. I'm not a lefty. I'm just hitting it with my left because I'm always on the right side of it. Yeah. That's about the center. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let's see which way he's going. Holy shit! I have a clear straightaway! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit. No, no! Yeah! Fucking upper 90! Get in there! No! I was so close. Come on. Oh yes! Right to me! Oh, skill move, skill move. Whoop, whoop. Oh! Ah! Alright, right before. Little drag race.
1, go.
Yep, that was so fun.
Fasten your seatbelt.